Hello from right on Orlando.
And happy 50th birthday, Carowinds!
We are here today to check out all of the new shows, possibly some food. I've seen a lot of merch, so come with us, come celebrate Carowinds' birthday.
Me and Charlie Brown are ready for the 50th celebration. They got a fantastic, smart outfits on. They're really great, guys.
Good evening, and welcome to Carowinds, the place where the Carolinas come together. You know, since 1973, Carowinds has been a dream turned reality. A place where families can enjoy a day of fun and foster community spirit. Just like a roller coaster ride, Carowinds has had its share of twists and turns, peaks and valleys. It's been an adventure filled with excitement that creates unforgettable experiences. Sometimes you can't predict what's coming next, but that's exactly what makes the ride worth it. You know, tonight, I want to take a moment to acknowledge and honor our incredible associates. You are the driving force behind Carowinds, and your dedication to our common purpose of creating better fun for a better world is truly admirable. You are the heart and soul of Carowinds. I would also like to express gratitude to our past and present leaders. Your invaluable contribution has established Carowinds as a symbol of excellence. With your steady hand on the wheel, your innovative ideas, and your unwavering dedication, you have propelled us to new heights and elevated the dream of Carowinds. To our community partners, we owe a special debt of gratitude. Your guidance, celebration of achievements, and steadfast support have played a vital role in making Carowinds a beacon of excellence across both Carolinas. Just as the Carolina Sky Tower in front of you shines out, so too have each of you when you speak of Carowinds. And last, but certainly not least, I want to express my deepest appreciation to our loyal guests. For 50 years, you have made Carowinds your home, seeking happiness and creating lifelong memories with us. Each day, you breathe new life into the dream of Carowinds. I extend my thanks to the countless individuals who have made their mark on Carowinds. You are part of Carowinds' legacy, and it is to you that Carowinds is dedicated. May Carowinds always be the place where happiness thrives, where the Carolinas truly come together. Thank you. There you go.
What's up, Carowinds? How's it going out there? We are so excited to be here with you tonight. We have an amazing show planned, so get ready to sing and dance to some of our favorite party song hits from the last 50 years. That's right. So before we go any further, I think it's time for a little weather report. Did you see those clouds in the sky yesterday? You know what that means. Leave your umbrella at home, honey. Please rise.
So these are just some of the selections. What did you get?
This is a jalapeno that is wrapped in bacon. This is a cupcake, and this looks like the best sugar cookie of all time. So, just saying.
Desserts on
Looks
desserts.
so good.
Look at that cake.
So this is a jalapeno.
Look at those huge cookies.
Did you guys enjoy the show?
Yes, we did.
Awesome. Where are you guys from?
Orlando.
Orlando, land of no other theme parks
No,
in Orlando.
no.
The Carowinds is the only one.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you guys so much for coming out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
50 years ago, there was a declaration that here, spanning across the state lines of these two great Carolinas, would be a place to laugh, a place to enjoy, and a place to create memories. Visionary E. Pat Hall once said, Carowinds would be a place where no idea was too bold and no challenge too great. Tonight, we celebrate that promise in the place where the Carolinas come together.
Laughter and cheer for everyone. The adventure continues. The adventure continues. Time after time, we climb to the sky. It's met with the thrill of the wind rushing by. The adventure continues. The adventure continues. Life is full of mysteries. Thrill of the unexplored. Around every bend is a smile of a friend that keeps us coming back for more. We're going out and explore. Opening up the laughter and cheer. Our memories of all the joy we find here. The adventure continues. The adventure continues. Always pursuing thrill and delight. Day after day and night after night. The adventure continues. The adventure
Requesting a flyby. Negative, Ghost Rider.
Some of the world's greatest characters have been a big part of our park. These heartwarming, memorable characters have been our gateway toward escape and enjoyment.
Cartoon friends and funny faces, chicks and those little easy chases. Too far for wacky races, live in my TV. I'm friends with Fred who yells out, never, never, never do. Was a buddy Barney too, and Scooby everywhere I knew. I love that fun lived there, I love him until I hurt. And when it's banana splits, you don't eat them for dessert. Bristol's house is not a stranger, he stays glad to wear in danger. Don't keep there on Sparks the Ranger, all in my TV. Those happy friends, this is my TV.
All the Charlie Browns in the world. There's Charlie Brown. Thanks, old pal. Good grief.
Carowinds has always been home to celebrations, and holiday celebrations are no exception. As the days grow shorter and the nights grow longer, Carowinds becomes Scarowinds, a celebration of all that is spooky and ghoulish delight. But the real magic of celebration arrives at the end of the year during Winterfest, when the park is blanketed in the warmth and the soul of the holiday season. Carowinds' journey half a century old, the original promise of fun, memories, and bringing the Carolinas together has been upheld. And as we approach the next 50 years and beyond, Carowinds will be here for all of us. Because Carowinds is you. Your laughter, your excitement, your sense of adventure, and your heart. Together, that is Carowinds. Celebrating 50 years of laughter, joy,
Happy
and memories
50
with
years.
us. We hope you had the best adventure